Snatched, sculpted, defined. Here's how you can achieve this look using just 5 products. First up, use the Lakme Define You app to find out what your face shape is. Mine is diamond, by the way. Now start with the foundation cover stick to just swipe and blend. This will give you such a natural and flawless base. Step 2 would be contour, for which I'm just going to swipe a 3 to contour my forehead and cheeks. Moving on, use a lighter shade of the foundation to draw a 7 from the side of your nose towards the under eye. I love that one stick gives you so much coverage and definition. Time to add a hint of color, for which I'm going to make a 0 on my cheeks and blend it in an upwards direction. And yeah, top up your eyes and lips while you're at it, because this stick is multi-purpose for sure. And the last step, end it with some glam. Swipe a 1 and get ready to shine. Throw in some on your eyes too and you are done.
House.
5 easy steps, 1 sculpted look. Get your hands on these multi-purpose Lakme sticks on Nykaa.